Wow, this car is beautiful. And let me tell you what, it's like brand new everywhere, top to bottom, under the hood, in the car. It's like new. Body off the frame, all the components underneath were redone. It's got a 327 and a 4-speed sitting in between those nice bucket seats. It has power steering, power disc brakes. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, look at all the pictures, top to bottom. That's where you find a price tag on every one of these cars for sale, along with a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you're notified when the next video is posted. But for right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Yeah, if you're a real neat freak and you just really like something that's just really spotless, this is one of the cleaner cars we've had. It's just fresh, it's just clean everywhere you look, including the underneath. The body was off the frame and every component was removed. All the suspension, front and back, springs, shocks, steering components, control arm bushings, you name it, completely rebuilt and detailed. They all look like new parts. Again, the steering is all redone. Has a reproduction dual exhaust system. So it has dual exhaust, goes into a transverse muffler. It's a sideways pipe and then back out duals. All new fuel system. The tank is shiny. All the lines are new. All new brake system. Again, brake lines, hoses, e-brake cables. It's converted to disc up front, so that's all new. You look up at the motor, it's Chevy orange, it's spotless. It's not dirty or grimy or greasy. Starter looks new, fuel pump looks new, motor mounts look new. 4-speed transmission also looks like it's right out of the box. It's that clean. All the shift linkage looks new. Drive shaft, is restored. U-joints replaced. 10-bolt rear end, all looks nice and painted. The floors are just spotless metal floors, all painted a nice semi-gloss black. So yeah, under this car, it looks practically new. Excuse me. The body is amazing. It's laser straight everywhere I look. Now it's dressed up, it has the SS hood, the raised hood. I mean laser straight. I'm looking at the reflection of the ceiling, and it's not even a little wavy. It is straight. Everywhere I'm looking straight. Down the side is laser beam straight. I mean, like every inch of it. This is straight as they get, lines up beautifully. I don't see any issues. I don't see body work showing or bubbles or damage. The way everything fits is amazing. It has spoilers front and back. It has the blacked out SS panel. New bumper, new taillights, gas cap. This side is just as straight and amazing. Even the spoiler is like laser straight. Usually those are wavy. The body is amazing. According to the tag, it was born Bolero red. It didn't look this good when it left the factory. It is polished like glass. There's no orange peel. I don't see any pimples or cracking or defects. The paint is gorgeous, like red glass. All the stainless trim. The moldings, the wide rocker moldings, the door handles, the bow tie mirror, all around the window, that's all replaced. The only thing I see original is this frame right here. They're both good, they're not new. A little bit of pitting on that side. Cross flag emblems, painted on stripe up front, got the spoiler down there. All this trim is new. So everything's beautiful and new and fits right. All new glass, not just the windshield, the side glass is new as well. I love the stance of this car. It sits up a little higher in back, Has some 15-inch torque thrust wheels. They're also new out of the box, wrapped in radial redline tires. They're BF Goodrich tires, fatter in back, just to add to that muscle car stance a little bit more. Black convertible top was replaced. All the rubber was replaced. It's a manual top. It goes up so easy. Just whoop, you push it with one hand and it's up. So that's the outside of the car. All the window seals, all the rubber gaskets, all replaced. Let's open it up. I got some neat surprises for you inside the car. Let's see what it looks like in the trunk. I bet it looks like new. Yep. We got a trunk light. It's painted slick as can be. Even the jamb is slick. I mean, really, this paint is slick. All new wiring. All the wiring looks just like that. New rubber mat, new well liner that the top sits in. All clean metal. It's spatter painted. A real nice trunk. Yeah, there's cars out there where they slap them together, and yeah, it has all new parts and new trim, and they don't fit right. This is not that car. This car is all new, and it fits right. It feels right. Door jambs are slick as the car. All the weather strips were replaced. Even the hinges were replaced on the doors. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, that was all replaced, but I am seeing there's a nick in the vinyl right there. Now the whole dash area has been painted. The knobs were replaced, clean gauges, new dash pad, new heater control panel. They slide nice. Here's a little trick. That's a retro stereo with an auxiliary plug. Plug in your phone. Interior lights work. You got nice red carpet. Center console looks new. You got a Hurst 4-speed. Steering wheel looks real good. It's missing, should have a little emblem that goes in there. Must have fell out. This is one of my favorite parts of the car. This is the deluxe seat, but see how wide it is and it's bolstered? This is custom. This is aftermarket, and I tell you what, this feels so much better than the original flat seats. This feels good. Felt like I was sitting on a throne when I got in this car. The back's original. It's metal. There's some dents and scratches. All new reproduction correct seat belts. They're GM seat belts, all new. So everything back here is upholstered and new. Visors, the mirror, it's all been replaced. There's an RCA plug and the owner's manual for the stereo in the glove box. I really like the tire and wheel combination they put on this car. Okay, so this is a correct 327-300 horsepower motor. It has the double hump heads, a GM aluminum intake with the Holley carb. And you can see it all looks stock. It has the correct air cleaner with the dish in the middle, GM thin valve covers, correct exhaust manifold, firewall. Look how nice and clean everything is. All the metal surfaces are painted real nice. Has an Optima battery, the right cap, the right shroud, got horns, squirters are hooked up. We got a new alternator, also has power steering, power brakes, and look how everything looks new. Wiper motor. So there you have it. I think there's a lot to check off on the plus side on this car. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's just very nice and appealing. It's not the biggest engine in the world, but I tell you that 327 and that 4-speed, it'll get you down the road. It sounds good. and it's just really nicely restored. All you have to do is get your little spray shine and your rag, put some gas in it, keep it wiped down. That's all you got to do to this car. Ready to go cruising, ready to go to car shows. Go to volocars.com. You can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, help get this delivered to your driveway. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you're first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.